guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the dirtiness, but I got rid of the ABS here, Gsx-S stickers that were here and all that, and then the bottom belly pan. And a long time ago I got rid of these. So this is what it looks like without stickers. If you're wondering to yourself, why is there a G still on the tank? Well, you can thank Suzuki for that. They just put a sticker up, clear coated over it, and said, yeah, that's not coming off. So let's get into a ride. What is going on, guys? I feel like I've been missing a part of me since I've been doing these videos a lot, just because the weather and just life. But happy to be back. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos recently. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I will be sure to put it up in the corner above. It's just been a lot of stuff going on as of recently. Trying to do mods to this, and just work has been just crazy. But we got a lot of stuff coming up here for next year. In the off season, I'm going to be grinding out some merch and stickers and stuff, so next year's going to be crazy. Just want to shout out to everybody who's hit the subscribe button and returned and just showed all the love and support. It really means the world to me. The amount of views and subscribers we've got in such a little time is mind-boggling to me. Also want to say thank you to everybody that's even put this bike into consideration if you're out looking for one, and or bought one from my videos or my opinion. It means a lot that I can impact someone's life like that just through a little YouTube video. And that's all I really wanted to do starting this stuff. Like, I just want to help people and, you know, give somebody something to look forward to when I upload a video. And it's just insane to me how many people you can impact just through a little video. If you guys are ever curious what I'm listening to when I'm riding, I'll put my playlist down in the description below. I got all kinds of stuff in there. Some stuff will just get you where you need to be, you know what I mean? I don't know what it is with this bike, or if anyone else has experienced this from owning a Gsx-S, but everybody thinks this bike is a Grom. I cannot tell you how many people have come up to me and like, oh, it's a nice bike, is that a Grom? And I'm like, not quite. It's a little bit bigger than it. But it's just crazy to me. Like, how do people not know the size of a Grom to this? In my last video with the CBR, you can kind of see a little bit of Austin's Grom. But yeah, this one to that is completely different. Two totally different worlds. So yeah, people, you got to get right. This ain't a Grom. Not quite. And it's also crazy to me how many people do not know what this is when they ask me what it is, and I tell them and they're like, oh, cool. Like, they have no idea. I mean, I had no idea. I was looking for a street triple, and what else was I looking for? I think a Gixxer, and I'm like, you know, Gixxer's just a lot for like my first like serious daily bike. So I'm gonna go with probably the street triple. And then I kept looking and I was like, what is a Gsx-S? Like, I keep seeing it, and it's a 750, and I seen it's an inline 4, which I really wanted exhaust note. That's why I didn't go with a 650 or 500 with the twin, which also I was blind to the fact of a FZ07. Those are sweet. If you haven't seen that video, I will be sure to put that above. But yeah, it was just crazy to me, you know, that I didn't know anything about this bike, and I thought I knew a lot about motorcycles and just the models that different brands make, and I had no idea about this bike. Which, for bang for the buck, you know, if you want exhaust note, you want something kind of, I wouldn't say comfortable without buying a seat, but this right here is just the one for it. Gives you nice power, nice exhaust note, torque's insane. It's very nimble. A Grom could never. But as for what I'm doing in the off season of riding, which it pains me to have to put this away, but it's just so cold. Like right now I'm like freezing. It's like 50 some degrees, but I'll just be doing installs, and I really want to get into doing podcasts, but we'll see. I think we're gonna wrap the video up. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. I'm seeing you on the flip side. Peace.